do use a demo account on FTMO, which if you're looking to do trading, you can set one up with them. Well, you can set up a demo account directly with MT4, I think, but I do mine through FTMO. It tracks all your metrics as well. So I've been trading on that. So I did take a couple trades today. Getting ready. It's my sort of last day practicing. I'm going to continue to use my demo account because it's always good to keep looking at how you can improve and try different things. And maybe I might try out some new strategies on that without trying them on, if they're going to be slightly more risky. I don't want to be trying them on my actual challenge account. So today, this is on EU. I had a couple of trades, so 3 trades on EU. 2 were winners, 1 was a loser. So first off, we got a nice short. I marked out this. Obviously, I'm on the 5-minute time frame now. On a longer time frame, I think the 1 hour, that's a wick there, which we needed to fill. As you can see, marked out here. So we came up into, I actually marked my entry just down at the bottom of there's a rejection block just here, you can see. So I actually marked my entry at the bottom of that just in case it didn't quite come up to the wick. But as you can see, it came up to 50% of the wick pretty perfectly, which was fine because we had a stop loss well above and came down and hit profit target pretty comfortably. Now, originally I was looking for a Judas swing, which is why I had my long here to then play it back up. But I didn't see that actually just here, the Asia low had actually already been taken, which I didn't see. So that we got taken out there, that hit stop loss. So that was a loss. But, you know, as long as you have a stop loss and manage your risk, losses are just things that happen. So you see, we've got the description of why we went for that trade there, what went wrong, and got to be more careful next time. But then did manage to catch a long down the bottom here. So I used this order block over here for an entry. See, we've got, this is daily resistance marked here, and we've also dropped just back inside of a range that we've broken out of. So I was thinking that we would get a rejection in this area, use that order block for entry. As you can see, I use the top of the order block because sometimes price will reject off the top, so I didn't want to miss it. So I had my entry at the top, but it came to 50% before reversing, and I had my stop loss down below the resistance. And as you can see, we came up and hit profit there. That was a nice, just over 3-hour trade there. Let's see what else we had. So also on USD CHF, Swiss franc, caught a nice short here, which I was looking, my bias was for shorts that I was looking for here. And obviously we had a high here to take with a nice order block in the top. So set our entry at the beginning of it again. We just swept the high there, but again, nicely inside the stop loss. So we rode that down. To be honest, could have got even more out of that, but I'd set that one and left it. I wasn't around to manage it, so still took a 3R on that. And then looked to catch a long back up down here. So this entry was, I was looking to, again, come and fill this wick here. That's where the entry's from. Price came and swept it, which is fine. Again, our stop loss is down just past the 50% of this FEG here. And we got a nice reaction up to here, come back down, in profit there, but if it doesn't move up soon, we'll probably close that one out. It's Friday, we're almost at the weekend, so not going to leave trades open over the weekend. But again, I've not been around so much today. If I was monitoring this more closely, may have took a bit of profit up here and stop loss to break even, then would have probably got tapped out when it come back, but with profit. So that one worked out not too bad. Then GBP. So I was looking for a long on GBP, and I actually had this one marked out down here. So we've got 2 longs here. So I had this one marked out, as you can see here, not there, here. I marked out that I was looking for a retest of this support here. We just broke above that, gone all the way up to this next resistance. I was expecting us to retest this. So I had my long entry set on the support, and as you see, we tapped nicely into that. However, I had it on here, but I hadn't actually set it on the account. I just marked it out as an idea. So I tried to find a re-entry, which was this breaker block in here. And price did just come back and react back up off that breaker block. So this one would have been beautiful, but we did get this trade, which was still 2.2R up to there. It's actually even pushed slightly higher. We nicely, safely locked in some profits there. So that one also went pretty well. And then I think the last one was gold. So again, caught a nice long here, which hit profit 3.6. Again, could have gone all the way up to resistance, but played it safe, took a profit at the London high, and was looking to catch a short back down. But as you see, this one actually got stopped out. Was looking again to enter at that resistance, but really after this had already wicked the resistance there, maybe should have took the entry higher as it came up. And this line here you can see is a previous high which was taken. So a win there, and this one got stopped out. So, oh no, one more actually. I forgot about this one. I entered this one along with the GBP one together. So another AUD long. Saw the reversal down here. So look to get in above this this bullish candle here, the reversal. Had our entry set just above that for a buy stop. Came up and moved reasonably nicely, and again took profit and went beyond. So another 2.3R there. So overall, a busy day, went pretty well. Hopefully the market now seems to be getting back to normal a bit in terms of how it is. So hopefully Monday is going to carry on like that.